Hey everyone, thanks for checking out our free life and leadership skills library. Whether you're looking to get better at managing conflict, building your confidence, maximizing your time, or anything in between, we have resources for you. And building these skills will not only help you to face your problems now, but will also help you to improve the quality of your opportunities in the future. So I'm just going to break down how it works and show you what resources we have available. So as you can see here, we have it broken down into 5 different sections, ranging from leading yourself all the way to leading a community. So there's a pretty wide range. So you can click on one of those, or you can search for one of your own. So I mentioned conflict earlier, so I'm going to search that up. Click right here. As you can see at the top, there's a definition, and then right underneath there are videos. So you can click that and watch it right here on this page. You don't even have to click to another website. Or you can click on one of these other videos, and it'll pop right over here into the main viewer. And as you scroll down, you have articles you can go read, books you can go purchase. And beneath that, we also have content that we've created at Charlie Academy. Eventually, in the left column, we'll have videos or blogs that we've made. And on the right here, we have these courses that have been created that help you go a little bit more in depth on these skills. So you can click right here and see all the different courses that we have available and find the one that you're looking for. Then as you scroll down to the bottom, you can see that we would love for you to send in suggestions on videos, articles, or books that you've seen that have helped you that we can include in our library as well. And then you can go back to your main page by clicking on this icon and go back and find other competencies to look at. So yeah, we really hope you enjoy this and that you learn a lot. Thanks for checking it out.